Jan's gonna do Katy Perry.
Okay. I'm ready. Let's get this over with.
All right, let's rock and roll. Let's go.
This was never the way I planned. Not my intention. I got so brave, drink in hand. Lost my discretion. It's not what I'm used to. Just wanna try you on. I'm curious for you. Caught my attention. I kissed a girl and I liked it. Taste of her cherry chapstick. I kissed a girl just to try it. Hope my boyfriend don't mind it. I didn't even get through the hook. What the hell are you buzzing me for?
40 seconds.
I didn't get through my hook either.
I thought that was amazing. I thought that was like Susan Boyle level.
That actually hurt my
Oh, no,
ears a little bit. When you went through the hook, I went, ouch!
The text line just crashed. They couldn't handle the overload of hate mail.
Wow.
All right.
Good job, Jan. At least you know what? You get an A for
Okay,
effort.
all right. You know what, Chio? Just pay attention to Chio's rhythm.
Yeah.
There's rhythm to this song.
Man.
All right.
Dude, you might need the studio monitors in here. You're kind of too deaf to be singing along to headphones, aren't you, dude?
You guys ready? I'm doing the Fred How to Save a Life.
All right.
You guys are going down. I'm winning this competition.
You ready?
Okay, we know I'm the best actor, Masterpiece Theater. And we know I won the contest with the licking the Oreo cookie.
Okay.
So I'm 2-0.
All right, shut up and start singing.
You ready?
Yeah, go.
Okay, here we go. Step one, you say we need to talk. He walks, you say sit down, it's just a talk. He smiles politely back at you. You stare politely right on through some sort of window to your right as he goes left and you stay right between the lines and fear of blame. You begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how. I messed that up. Yeah. Oh, I had the first half.
Why'd you have your eyes closed the whole time?
I did.
You were feeling it, huh?